I think you're gonna have to come backwards.
I broke through there, and then I went. Whoop.
Yep. Yeah, we need to get off this river.
The river's a little bit deep.
There we go. Happy ride day, Broknex. Gonna go on a full wolf moon ride. Try to get maybe a little fire going. So it should be a happy ride day. Let's go see what we can do. There's the first of our riders to show up. John Dunn, he's got Rossin' Forever. Nice channel over there.
What do you do?
Happy ride day.
Happy ride day.
Yep.
Where's everybody?
Oh, they'll get here. 2:30 means 3:30. Hard to tell, you know.
2 o'clock means 2:30.
It's a gym thing, man. I watched previous videos. We've done scientific studies on how much time we've waited on gym.
There's the beast. Good. Oh, look at that. There's AK Joe FPV. Wild Alaskan. Old Grizz. Right on. Got Ethan and Rossin' Forever. Everybody's here. We're gonna go on a night ride, boys and girls. Only a little bit of hooniganing going on. It's the Blood Wolf Moon tonight. So, flux capacitor just in case I hit 88 miles an hour. I think I got the GoPro aimed right. Oh, hey, look at that. Yeah. No, everybody's pulling off. No, I can't stop, Tristan. Whoa! Oh, I got it on film. Hey, there's open water over here. Woo. Oh, really? You're gonna pull a Cody? You're gonna go that way? Oh, all right. Yeah, that's not a good idea. You want to turn around and come back? You're gonna keep taking that trail. Oh, well, I guess you got everybody behind you. We're all gonna be stupid. Okay. Bad idea. Oh, we got around her. This is not a good idea. Not a good idea. There's open water. Oh, man. Oh, geez. This is not good. This is bad. Oh boy. Okay. Woo. Woo. Full send. Uh-oh. Okay. Huh. I think it's got to come backwards. I think you're going to have to come backwards.
Rode through there.
Oh, and you
then
just...
went,
Yep. Yeah, we need to get off this river.
yeah. The river's a little bit deep.
That winch works too.
Front wind?
That winch works on the Yamaha. Yeah,
Nice.
we might need it. Are those gloves warmer?
Yeah.
Good.
Pull you up? Yeah, I think so. Okay.
All right. Is this a job for Tiger Tail? Okay. Right on.
My high temp engine sensor is on.
It's all right. It's because your engine's warm. Your fan ain't working. You need to start moving.
Yeah, alright.
Okay, let's keep going. Make sure we got everybody. I got, who do I got? Well, we had one fall through, so we were back on a rescue. Oh, I see ya. Yeah, we're just waiting on everybody. We're still missing a bunch of people. I had to turn my grip warmers down a notch. All right, you want to stay here with these guys and I'll run back? Okay. I'm gonna run back. Ah! Well, there is everybody. Okay.
Start button ain't working.
Oh, well, hook you up to this, we can pull start you.
High compression on ice, yeah right.